أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل إن كانت لكم الدار الآخرة عند الله خالصة من دون الناس فتمنوا الموت إن كنتم صادقين. Say, if the abode of the hereafter with Allah is solely for you, to the exclusion of all other people, then wish for death, if you are truthful. Qul, say. Right? Qul, this is called Fail Amar. Fail Amar means an instruction. So this is an instruction from Allah that Qul, say, you say. In means if. If kanat, kanat, it was. This is in the past tense. Kanat, it was. Lakum. Lakum is for you. La means for, kum, you. Lakum, for you. And this is plural. So if it is singular for you, meaning singular, it is laka. Okay. So lakum is plural. In kanat lakum, if it was for you, what was for you? Ad-darul akhiratu. Ad-dar means, it can mean house, abode. Al-akhirah means the hereafter. So, Qul, say, in kanat, if it was, lakum, for you, ad-darul akhiratu, the abode of the hereafter, in the Allahi, with Allah. Khalisatan, khalisatan, solely. Right? You've probably heard of the word khalis. Khalis means pure. Khalisatan, purely, solely, min, from, doonin nasi. Doon is, it means separate from or exclusion. Doonin nas, exclusion from people. Fatamannaw. So, tamannaw means you wish. In Urdu, you have heard of the word tamanna, right, which means desire, wish. So similarly, for tamannaw means so tamannaw, you wish, al-mauta, then wish for death. In if kuntum, you were, sadiqeen, truthful. If I can request Tahir Khalisa or the admin team to please mute the students. Jazakallah. Right, so now let's have a look at the translation here, the general translation. Qul, say. In kanat, if. So kanat means it was, right? But the translation here, you will see sometimes it starts from the end. So for example, ad-darul akhirah, the abode of the hereafter, of the after, right? Hereafter. So qul in kanat lakumud darul akhirah, say if the abode of the hereafter, which means ad-darul akhiratu, with Allah, in Allah, is solely khalisatan, for you, lakum. Right? So you can see the order of things can be changed when you're doing the translation, the general translation, to make more sense of the translation. Okay. So lakum has come towards the middle of the translation. Min duninas, min duninas, to the exclusion of all other people. Fatamannaw al-maut, then tamannaw, wish for, al-maut, for death. In kuntum sadiqin, in if kuntum, you are, sadiqin, truthful. Now we go to the next verse. وَلَن يَتَمَنَّوْهُ أَبَدًا بِمَا قَدَّمَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِالظَّالِمِينَ. But never shall they wish for it, because of what their own hands have sent on before them. And Allah knows the wrongdoers well. Wa and lan, never. Right? So the word la means not right? But the difference here is when there is lam nun, lan means never, right? Yatamannaw, yatamannaw means they will wish or they shall wish. Very similar to fatamannaw, so you wish. Okay. So yatamannaw means they wish, yatamannaw they wish, who means it. Right? Walan yatamannahu, and never they shall wish for it. Abadan, ever. So what is the wish for? Al-maut, from the previous verse, okay, for death. So Allah the Almighty is saying, Walan yatamannahu, that, but they shall never wish for it. Why shall they never wish for it? Abadan means ever, right? And they shall, walan, and never, yatamannaw, they shall wish, who, for it, abadan, ever. Bima. Now bima means with what? Be is with, ma is what? With what or because of what? Kaddamat. Kaddamat has sent on. Kaddamat or has presented. Aydihim. Right? So Aidi means, one second. Aidi means hands. Aidihim will mean their hands. Okay. So what their hands have sent on. So what this means, because of what their hands have sent on, it means what they have done, what the actions they have carried out in the past. So Allah is saying, وَلَنْ يَتَمَنَّوْهُ, and never shall they wish for it, abadan, ever. Bima, because of what? Qaddamat aydihim, their hands have sent on. Wallahu, and Allah, alimun, he is the all-knowing, bizzalimin, with the wrongdoers. Now, bizzalimin is, be means with, just like here. Be with, ma what? So, bizzalimin means, be with az-zalimin, the wrongdoers. And so this is the way you will see it, but when the breakdown happens, the split word will be with az-zalimin, the wrongdoers. وَلَنْ يَتَمَنَّوْهُ, and never shall they wish for it. The word abadan is never. وَلَنْ يَتَمَنَّوْهُ, but never shall they wish for it, right? Bima, because of what? Qaddamat, have sent on, aydihim, their own hands. Wallahu, and Allah, alimun, he knows, he is the knower, bi az-zalimin, biz-zalimin, with the wrongdoers. So the translation they have done is, and Allah knows the wrongdoers well. Alimun means the all-knowing, right? The next verse we will do today is وَلَتَجِدَنَّهُمْ أَحْرَصَ النَّاسِ عَلَى حَيَاتٍ وَمِنَ الَّذِينَ أَشْرَكُوا يَوَدُّ أَحَدُهُمْ لَوْ يُعَمَّرُ أَلْفَ سَنَةٍ وَمَا هُوَ بِمُزَحْزِحِهِ مِنَ الْعَذَابِ أَنْ يُعَمَّرَ وَاللَّهُ بَصِيرٌ بِمَا يَعْمَلُونَ. Okay. وَلَتَجِدَنَّهُمْ, wa and la tajid. Let's break this word down for you. Right. So what I want to teach you in these lessons is to show you the split word as well as the general translation, right? So next time you read it, it's easier for you to understand. Wa and la, surely. When la comes before a word, it indicates assurance of something. Wa and la surely tajidanna, you will find, hum them. Wala tajidannahum, and surely tajidanna, you will find, hum them. What will you find them? Ahrasa. Ahrasa means the most covetous of annas, of the people. Allah, on or about, hayat, about life. And thou shalt surely find them of all people the most covetous of life. Wa min, and min means from. And from allazina, from those, ashraku, they set up equals. Right? Ashraku, you have all are familiar with the word shirk. Shirk means association of partners with Allah, okay, or making equals with Allah. So ashraka is the verb that he set up an equal, and ashraku is the plural that they set up equals, of course, with Allah. Wa min, and from allazina, those ashraku, they set up equals. Yawaddu. Yawaddu means he wishes. Who wishes? Ahaduhum. Ahad means one. Whom, them. Meaning each of them wishes. What does he wish? Law, if you ammaro, he be granted life. Right? Those who speak Urdu will be familiar with the word Umar. Umar means life. Right? So you ammar means he be given, he be granted life. So what is Allah the Almighty saying? That yawaddu ahaduhum, each of them desires, wishes, law, that you ammaro, he be granted life. And how long should that life be? Alpha is 1,000. Okay, 1,000. Sana means years. So each of them desires that they be granted a life of 1,000 years. Wama, wa, and ma, not, huwa, he, bimuzahzihihi. Muzahzihihi means that he shall keep him away. Right? So let me break this down for you. This is a bit tricky, but muzahzihi will mean one who keeps away. He is referring to him. Right? So it's a bit confusing, but just bear with me. That wama, just a second. Right? So be muzah will mean that he shall keep away, and the he in the end will mean him. Right? So wama huwa bi muzahzihi means, and he will not be able to keep him away, or he shall not be able to keep him away from what? Min, from al-azaba, the punishment, and that yu'ammara, that he be granted life. So what Allah the Almighty is saying, that each yuwaddu ahaduhum, each one of them desires, law, that, or if yu'ammaru, he be granted alfasana, 1,000 years to live, right? وَمَا هُوَ بِمُزَحْزِهِ مِنَ الْعَذَابِ أَنْ يُؤَمَّرَ. Right? So we'll have a look at the translation here. But his being granted such life, let's say that if he lives 1,000 years according to what he wants, even him being granted such life shall not keep him away from the punishment. Okay, right? So wama, and not huwa bimuzahzihi, he shall keep him away, minal azab, from the punishment, and that yu'ammara, that he be granted life. Wallahu, and Allah, basirun means the all-seeing. Bima, with what? Be, with ma, what? Ya'amalun, what they do. So let's have a look at the translation here now. Wala tajidannahum. Wala tajidannahum, and thou shalt surely find whom? Them. Ahrasan nasi, of all people, Anas, all people, Aharasa, the most covetous, ala hayat, of life. Wa minallazina ashraku, even more than those who set up equals with God. Okay, with God is not actually part of the translation here, but of course you can only associate partners with Allah. Wa minallazina, or wa min, and from allazina, those ashraku, they set up equals with God. Yawaddu ahaduhum, everyone, ahaduhum, every one of them, yawaddu, wishes, law, that yu'ammaru, he may be granted alfa, 1,000 sana, years, a life of 1,000 years. So every one of them desires that he be granted a life of 1,000 years. Wama huwa bimuzahzihi min al-azab, wama huwa, and but his, right? So the translation in Arabic, sometimes you can see that the order starts from the other way. So yu'ammaru has been translated before, that but his being granted such life, which is yu'ammaru, being given such life, ma huwa bimuzahzihi, shall not keep him away, minal azabi, from the punishment. Wallahu, and Allah, basirun, sees all, bima ya'malun, that they do. Right, so we finished the ruku here. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.